Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, yes, I'm in a different place. As you can see behind me, I'm visiting my husband in Texas. So, I'm in a hotel room and I wanted to get some of these things done while I could because this is like literally probably my only chance I can try to catch up. So, with that said, I want to ask everyone how y'all doing. I hope y'all are doing good. I'm doing good. I'm getting some rest. I needed this mentally and physically. Yeah, everybody knows what's going on and so forth. But I want to know how y'all doing. Like, I'm gonna move this a little bit, y'all, because I gotta sit back. I want to know how y'all doing, what y'all up to. I know y'all, everybody's working on diamond paintings for some kind of event coming up or now. Yeah, all my friends are, all y'all diamond painting community friends, I know y'all all working on something or the other. So y'all let me know in the comment section below what y'all working on. I just wanted to take this time before I start my unboxing of Happy Mail. I got Happy Mail and that's what I'm gonna unbox for y'all. But before I do that, I wanted to take this time out to tell everybody thank y'all so much for getting me to 1,000. I was on Crafting with Shay's YouTube live last night, yesterday afternoon, and during the live I reached 1,000 subscribers. So I wanted to say thank you to Shay, first of all, for having me on your channel. I really appreciate you, and I appreciate that you wanted to have me as a guest on your channel. It really means a lot to me. I want to cry. It really means a lot to me, very much. Like, y'all just don't know. If y'all know me, y'all know. And I wanted to say thank you to every single one of you that has subscribed to my channel, and y'all really made my night. Like, all I did was talk to y'all about y'all to my husband. I think he's tired of hearing me talk about y'all. How wonderful y'all are, and how wonderful Shay is, and how wonderful all of my diamond painting friends are, and how wonderful it is to talk to all my diamond painting friends that I talk to on the phone, and how much help everybody's giving me. And I start naming names and all kind of stuff, and he's like just looking at me, poor thing. And he listens to me, y'all, but I think he's tired of hearing me say how wonderful y'all are. But I'm not tired of saying it, so you know. So y'all are so wonderful. So yeah, I wanted to say thank you to everybody. Y'all really mean a lot to me. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Y'all special in my heart. Y'all always hold a place in my heart. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all have helped me so much and still helping me, because I'm just still learning, y'all. I'm still learning about, you know, like the YouTube things and a lot of things. I'm just still learning a lot. And all of y'all that have helped me know that when I ask a question, I'm genuine about that question, because I really don't know. It's like, oh my God. Sometimes, like, I'm gonna give y'all an example. I don't know, like, how y'all put all those fancy, shiny gems from Timo on y'all. How y'all figure that out? But I'm gonna figure that out one day. Like, I mean, I know y'all just put it, like, in place of other gems or whatever, but, you know, that's what I would like to learn. It's gonna take me a hot minute though. Oh my God. I know I'm rambling, y'all, but I really just wanted to let y'all know how thankful I am and how blessed I am to have all of you as diamond painter friends and friends in this community, because y'all are awesome. Y'all just wonderful. And And I'm sorry, I have this. Okay, I'm sorry. This is the best I could do for today. Actually, I'm gonna do some more videos because I have time. So I'm gonna do some more unboxing. I think one more after this. But yeah, so thank y'all all so much for getting me to 1,000. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all the best. Okay, so now I'm gonna show y'all what I received. I received this from Stephanie Grace. It's Happy Mail. And let's see. It did say her name. I think it said it on here. Anywho, I'm gonna do the box. I mean the package. Yeah. So this is okay, so it said this, there's a note. So it says, "Happy super late Christmas. Hope you enjoy. Sincerely, Stephanie Grace." Stephanie, you're so cute. That's so cute. You're so cute. That is so cute and so sweet. That's very sweet of you. Oh, that's the photo. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna open this. Let's see it. So it came with the toolkit, and the drills are round. They're round or square, I'm not sure. The lighting it's square. The lighting's horrible in here, y'all. I'm sorry. Yes, it's square. The drills are square, and these are the color of the drills. So just in case y'all want to see that, I'm not gonna open it, but I do see the design. This is the thumbnail, just to give y'all a preview. Look at that. Y'all know what that is, right? It's a sea turtle. And I'm stoked because I want to see it. You already know. Oh, look how cute. It's a sea turtle, y'all. It has, oh, it's so cute. It's a square and it has 20 colors. It has the DMC codes. Y'all, this is stinking cute. It's a sea turtle. Look at it. Oh my God, and I love the size because I know that I can finish this. I have a bunch of whips, like I said on Shay's Live last night. I have a bunch of whips. I said I probably have like 5, maybe 6, about 5 or 6. So high number 6. Just say it. Shoot, I might have more. I didn't even count. I don't know. I'm just guessing, okay? Anywho, I have a lot of whips, and I want to really finish all of those before I start others. But every time they have a cute diamond painting that comes in, I just want to get up and start working on it. I never complete a darn one. I lie, I do. I'm working on a Wendy right now. I'm going to try to complete her so I can use my container holder for other stuff that I have coming up. Anyway, this is a sea turtle, and it's from Stephanie Grace. Thank you so much, Stephanie. I love it. You know I love sea turtles. I love it. That and mermaids, y'all. Like, as for ocean scene, anything ocean related, sea turtles, mermaids, I like those. I like that. Any ocean related stuff. Pretty fish, like, just, I don't know. I like the ocean. I do like farm stuff too, because you know I live in the country, so that's a given. But y'all, I'm not picky as to what I pick. I just don't like I don't know why, but I don't like I don't know, there's a certain genre that I don't, it's not that I don't like, it's just I wouldn't be interested in diamond painting it. So, you know. But this is like one of my favorites. It's so cute. The turtle is going up from the sea. I love it. It's a square. It has 20 colors, like I said. So cute. I love it. Stephanie Grace, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Y'all, that's so sweet of her. I love it. I really do love it. I like sea turtles, though. Y'all know that I went to the beach and stuff. We go to the beach like 5 times a year in the summer. And I make it a point to go to the shops and buy sea turtles, because every time you buy a ceramic sea turtles, I'm trying to make cover minders out of them. I made a cover minder out of one. I just need magnets for the others. Every time I go to the beach and I make it a point to go to like their shops and buy a sea turtle, because like I said, it's like a ceramic-ish, like or marble sea turtle. They donate a portion to that, to the sea turtles, like to the fund for the sea turtles, because a lot of them don't make it, and then they try to keep them alive and stuff. So yeah, and they hatch them and whatnot. You know, so I like to donate to that. That's just my thing, you know. It may not be much to y'all or seem like much to y'all, but it is to me. It means a lot to me. So, you know, there's that. Yeah. So, thank you, Stephanie Grace. I really appreciate it. That you did not have to do that. Really, you did not. But I do appreciate it. Y'all, I have some wonderful people in my life. Y'all so sweet. You know, I talked to some of y'all on the phone. I would like to talk to more of y'all on the phone. Because it makes me feel like I know you guys. It helps me get to know y'all better, and it also helps y'all get to know me better, you know. And that's what I like. And y'all know I'm not shy. Obviously, I used to be when I first started YouTube. I wasn't in public because I just wasn't. I've been with the public for so long, working with the public for so long, that I'm just outgoing. But I was shy to get on YouTube because I was afraid. Like, I think I was more afraid than shy. I wasn't really shy. I was afraid. I was scared of what everybody might think of me as for doing like YouTube videos on anything, much diamond painting or anything, much of anything. But, you know, I've come to learn this last year that everybody's going to talk about you, whether it's good or they always going to find something bad about you to say or talk about or whatever. Like, you can't please everyone is what I'm trying to say. So with that said, I don't want that kind of, like, I don't like that. I just don't like that. I'm the kind of person that I really do love everybody and care about everybody. And this year, I made it a point to, like, I'm not going to be in that kind of negativity atmosphere, you know, because it's not good for anyone, and it's not good for mental health. It's not good for anything. And so I just want to be happy and happy-go-lucky, you know. That's how I am. That's how I always was. I'm just a happy-go-lucky person, and I'm really not hard to please at all. Anything makes me happy. So, you know, yeah, I'm just one of those genuine people, and I really am. I mean, it's me. It is what it is. Like I always say, I love you guys. I really do, and I care about y'all, each and every one of y'all, and I genuinely do. And I just want y'all to know that everyone's my friend on here. And I really appreciate all y'all. So because y'all got me where I am today and y'all helped me out. You know, I talk to certain people on the phone a lot that helps me. I'm not going to say no names because I don't know if they want their names out here. But I really do try to make weekly conversations. If not, you know, every other week, or, you know, I try to talk to as many as I can. But some I don't get to talk to but once every 3 months. And it's okay because everybody has a life. You know, everybody's busy. Everybody has a life. Everybody has their own thing. But I just want to say thank y'all so much for yesterday. And y'all did make me cry. And y'all made Shay cry. And I don't know who else was crying on there. But if y'all were crying, y'all can leave it in the comment section below. Because I would love to know that I wasn't alone, me and Shay. We would like to know that. I think she would appreciate that as well. So, Thank you, Stephanie Grace. Thank you for sending me this happy mail. It made my day. I really appreciate it. And I'm sorry it took so long to unbox it, but you know, y'all know the deal. So thank y'all for watching, and I love you guys. Until next time, bye.